Hey guys, a warm welcome to our channel. I've spent quite some time digging into the HP EliteBook 660 G11 16-inch Business Copilot AI laptop, AZ-XUT. Especially this configuration with Intel Ultra 7 155U, supposedly, beats i7 1355U, 32GB DDR5 RAM, 1TB PCIe SSD, Wi-Fi 6E, Backlit keyboard, fingerprint reader, Windows 11 Pro. I've pulled info from HP's official specs, third-party reviews, user feedback, and listings so you get a clear, honest sense of whether this thing is really worth paying attention to. Let's start with the core specs. The CPU is Intel Ultra 7155U, which is a new Ultra series chip designed to offer strong performance in efficient power envelopes. It has multiple performance and efficiency cores, turbo boost speeds up to approximately 4.8 GHz on the performance cores, and sufficient cache, 12 MB in many sources, to handle business workloads and multitasking. You get 32 GB of DDR5-5600 memory, 2 SODIMM slots, which is very good for multitasking, having many browser tabs, office apps, maybe light content creation. Storage is a 1TB PCIe NVMe SSD, so fast boot, fast app load times, and decent capacity. Connectivity includes Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3, so the wireless is modern. Ports include Thunderbolt, USB-C, USB-A, HDMI, etc. The display is 16-inch FHD+, 1920x1200, anti-glare, 60 Hz refresh in many models, and decent viewing angles, IPS or UWVA in some variants. Windows 11 Pro is included, and there's a fingerprint reader, backlit keyboard, spill resistance in many EliteBooks. In terms of performance, from what I saw in reviews, this setup handles business and productivity tasks very well. Spreadsheets, document work, web browsing, video calls, all smooth. Opening many apps at once or working with somewhat heavier loads, e.g. multiple virtual machines or compiling code, seems reasonable thanks to the Ultra 7155U and 32 GB of RAM. Users report thermal behavior as decent under moderate load. The laptop doesn't throttle immediately under normal business usage, though performance under sustained heavy workloads is less impressive compared to high-power workstation laptops. Boot times are fast. Waking from sleep is snappy. SSD speeds are good. Build, design, and usability are solid. HP's business laptops tend to have good hinges, durable chassis, and this one is no exception. Keyboard feel gets positive remarks. Keys are well traveled for a business laptop. Backlight useful in dim light. Fingerprint reader integrates well for security and login. Port selection is good for business users. Multiple USB-C, Thunderbolt, USB-A, HDMI, network, etc. Now, cost, value, and how it stacks up. This EliteBook G11 sits in a premium business laptop tier. For what you get, Ultra 7, 32GB RAM, 1TB fast SSD, modern wireless, and security features. It offers good value compared to many older business laptops or similarly spec'd consumer laptops. If you compare against high-end gaming or workstation machines, it won't match dedicated GPUs or ultra-high refresh displays, but for its intended audience, professionals, business users, perhaps people doing some content work, it seems well balanced. Also, Biz Copilot, and AI-oriented features, depending on variant, are a plus if those matter to you. So, after checking all the details, is it worth buying and why? I believe yes, if you are a professional user, business person, or power user who wants future-oriented performance, reliability, and good specs without going into full workstation territory. This HP EliteBook 660 G11 with Ultra 7155U, 32 GB, 1 TB is a very strong choice. It gives you room to work, enough speed for multitasking and lighter heavy workloads, good security and connectivity features, and a build you can trust over time. If your needs are lighter, just web, email, office, You might get away with something cheaper. If your needs are heavier, GPU-intensive tasks, you may need a laptop with discrete graphics or a different cooling design. But for many of you, this strikes a great balance. Click the link below for the best price.